Good morning friends. Today topic is BIGF, AIGF and LGTFC DG shipping exit exam question and answer part 16. Question number 301. Find the incorrect statement in all. Answer is there are no statutory requirement for ship to detection of fire. This is an incorrect statement. There should be a fire detector system should be there and it should be always operational, and the particular location fire detector system is going to repose and it has to be overcome by the fireman. Watchkeeping has to be carried out on that location. So this is a statutory requirement. So this sentence is incorrect. Question number 302. When treating chemical burn, how long should you run the area under cool running water? Answer 20 minutes. You have to run to the place where you got burn. First degree of burn, you have to run through the water for a period of 20 minutes continuously. Cool down process. Question number 303. The way to depend on your fire detection system will be. Answer unacceptable, and one must be prepared for fire and have fire detection and firefighting system on board. So fire detection system you should not be believe always, as it is an electronic system. Even the reliability and redundancy is 100%. You always prepare for fire and have fire detection and firefighting system on board. There should be a firefighting system and a person should prepare for to handle the fire, how to operate the system, what action to be done. Training has to be given for that. That is what it's trying to say in this question number 303. Question number 304. Post-state control inspection. Which one of the following in your opinion should be most serious indication of the lack of an onboarding training? Answer: using appropriate span gas on the sensor. That is the answer. So most appropriate answer is lack of, like the following in your opinion should be most serious indication of the lack of an onboard training. If you find a span gas to use for the sensor, if you are using the wrong span gas or you don't know which span gas to use and you don't know the expiry date of the span gas and when it was last calibrated, these are the things will show that the person has a poor training, lack of knowledge. So this is the answer for question number 304. Question number 305. In relation to Energy Emergency Design Index EEDI for liquefied gas vessel, find an incorrect statement. Answer: EEDI is a prescribed technical and design improvement guidelines for energy efficiency. So EEDI is a design index. It will be this has to be made at the time of design, and it is not a for energy design. It's not a guidelines. Okay. He talk only about the design factors, not the technical part. So this is the incorrect statement. Question number 306. Statement on evaluation of OPA 90, the American Oil Pollution Act 1990 are listed. Find an error statement. The only reason for Exxon Valdez accident was her failure. So this is an error statement. And about OPA 90 I talked in my previous videos. About OPA 90 I already talked in my previous videos. You can refer to it. Issue question number 307. Issue of greenhouse gases. Identify an incorrect statement. Answer: ship energy efficiency management plan is not just a best practice but mandatory regulation requirement. This is an incorrect statement because if you see regulation 22, ship energy efficiency management plan, each ship shall keep on board ship specific ship energy efficiency management plan. This may form part of the ship safety management system. So, as per this regulations, it is not saying mandatory. It says that shall keep on board. So it is not a mandatory. So this sentence is irrelevant. EEDA certificate is mandatory. EEXS certificate, IEEC, International Energy Efficiency Certificate is mandatory. To achieve this, you can keep SIMP. But it is not compulsory, you should have SIMP. But you should have IEC certificate. We given the guidelines to make a SIMP or similar to that. Question number 308. The soft gas clothes are used for covering the frozen part of the skin. Answer is woolen cloths, soft woolen cloths. Why we use woolen cloths? Because the woolen has a remarkable insulation factor, works to keep you both warm and cool. It creates air pockets, giving wool its unique ability to absorb moisture and transport it away from the body. So wool is a material, it has small air pockets, it will absorb the moisture, it will not allow the moisture to contact your skin, so it will protect you from the frozen bite. That's why we are using woolen sweaters. Question number 309. Vapor air emission from liquefied gas tank commence. Identify wrong one. Answer. Venting of cargo to main cargo tank pressure and temperature is not acceptable except when approved by the Classification Society inspection and survey. This is the incorrect statement because cargo tank pressure and temperature is not acceptable. It is going beyond the limit. At any cause of the emergency, you can release it to the atmosphere. So this is acceptable as per your statutory requirement. So this is default. It will be approved by the class also. In your normal condition, you are not supposed to release. At the emergency condition, it will cause damage to the ship, safety of the ship, safety of the person. Then you can release. So this is a wrong one. Question 310. Which of the following statement is false? Answer. Both the deck and engine officer must be proficient in the operation of IG dryer. This is the incorrect sentence. IG dryer, gas dryer is mostly falls on the engine officer's responsibility. It is not required, or if at all your company policy says that it will be the direct responsibility of the deck officer until or unless if it is mentioned by your company. If it is not mentioned, then it is not for deck officer, it will fall on engine officer. It cannot be both. So question number 310, this is the statement is false. Which is false. Question number 311. In the process of isobaric evaporation of water, the line BC does not represent. Remember this drawing we already discussed before in my previous videos. Please refer to it. Here what is telling C to B, this process, which sentence is wrong? Answer is change of the state from vapor at C to liquid at B. That is telling from the change of state from vapor to become liquid, C to B. That is what it is explaining. That is what it is explaining. Like that they are telling, but that sentence is wrong. That is the answer for question number 311. Question number 312. Which of the crew members are required to meet the requirement for advanced training? Answer. Master, engine officer, and those with immediate responsibility. So this is IGF code requirement. So advanced training is required for master, all engine officers, and also who is directly immediately responsible to it. Can be a chief officer also some cases. So it depends. Again I say this is as per your company SMS policy. Question number 313. Which bunkering operation is least hazardous? Answer is portable tank transfer. Because the portable tank, you are changing the tank and you are not taking bunker operation, any netting operation as like your normal LNG bunkering. So this is a least hazardous. It is, we are not telling no hazardous, we are telling least hazardous. This is the answer for it. Question number 314. First aid measures will not include in MSDS. Answer: detail of any medical treatment as a follow-up from first aid is needed. So this sentence is not mentioned in MSDS. So they will not tell, they will tell about only first aid, they will not tell what is the next treatment has to be given, what is the medical treatment, follow-up treatment has to be given by the physician or the doctor. They will not explain in the MSDS. So that is the answer for question 314. Question number 315. On board a member class LNG tanker, what is the typical gas heater outlet temperature control set at during inerting operation using nitrogen? Answer is minus 20 degrees Celsius or minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit if it is measured in Fahrenheit. So, heater outlet temperature should be controlled using nitrogen temp is minus 20 degrees Celsius. The correct answer. Question number 316. If a poisonous gas or material is swallowed, the gas membrane in the mouth absorbs it quickly. Answer is mucous membrane. Mucous membrane is a membrane which releases the mucor solution. Okay, this will be passing through it. This the membrane will prevent the damaging of the organ into it. So this mucous membrane falls above the membrane, such as like tongue, mouth. It will be present in it, and it will prevent any hazardous compound or chemicals or anything you are taking. It should not go and directly damage your organ. First, it will be absorbed by it. So mucous membrane is the answer for question number 316. Question number 317. What is the type of gas detection system fitted to monitor gas content of the insulating spaces? Answer is infrared type or sequential measurement method. So this gas detectors we are using is a IR type, the sequential measurement method we are using for detection of gases in it. Question number 318. There are dash types of flammable limits. Answer is 2. That is upper flammable limit, lower flammable limit. Question number 319. Why is the compatibility study recommended prior to a vessel first arrival at a particular port? Answer: to study issues regarding safety, navigation, berthing and operation. So compatibility study, why we are doing is, as the ship can come safely, can navigate safely, can it berth safely, and the operation which is going to be done on the port, this will be safe. It will not cause any dangerous or hazardous to the port and port authorities and persons around it. That the compatibility study they will carry out. That is the answer for question number 319. Question number 320. Statement on satisfactory calibration and or preparation for use the portable gas detection equipment. Find an error. Answer: they both operate similarly and have some type of suction pumps. So friends, if you like my video, please like. If you have any doubt, any clarification, any suggestions, welcome in comment box. If you want to see more videos related to marine, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.